Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is this guy right here. It is a big one. It is called the JolyWell 28-inch black. It's Z-shaped, and you can see when you already clicked on it, you know what it's all about. LED, 20-watt, frosted aluminum, modern LED bathroom light, and all those neat features. What it does have is a cold white 4000K light. And those of you who don't understand the cold or warm aspect of lights, you'll see. It's more blue than yellow. And obviously, as we are digging into this, we will show you everything that's in the box, that comes in the box for this easy setup. And it is pretty relatively straightforward and easy. You get a simple instruction on basically how you need to set this up, plate, wiring, and also the screw that will lock the light into place. You also, what does it say over here? I see this. Always remember to wear the gloves to prevent injury. I don't know if it'll prevent injury, but it might help in some cases, because the gloves they're referring to are these little white cloth things. You get some wire nuts. You got a longer screw here. I think this is for the plates. Oh, you got two of them. Okay, usually you have two of them. So you get two of them for the plate there. And of course, let's get into this a little bit further. You have, simply enough, the entire light fixture. All right, I like this. This is kind of an interesting design. Let's pull that bag off. Cool. All right, now I see the screw plate that they're referring to right here, and you know, the plate, the screw. There's two screws. Okay, I got it. So the one thing you have to be careful about, make sure you orient this plate in the correct orientation. Pull the plate out. It should have a ground wire to it. It does. So again, this is the plate you're going to put in, and you see that the way that this is set up, it looks like you can set it pretty much any way you'd like, but it should go left to right. If it's going left to right, make sure that these are top to bottom when you install it on the wall. So if you install it on the wall top to bottom, you want the light to go this way. Otherwise, if you go this way, your light will look something like this. Pull out your wires. You have simple enough, your black wire, your white wire. Come follow me. I'm gonna actually put this in right over here into my office bathroom and show you what it looks like. Okay, first things first, we're gonna take this apart. I want you to put a towel down inside your sink so you don't lose screws down your drain. All right, simple enough. Let's go ahead and take this wonderful piece off here. Now, once again, we made mention, keep that orientation up. Now, the biggest reason you can see is the cup is turned. And there's a prime example why you have a towel in your sink. Let's get back to it. Straight up and down. Locked in. Okay, so one of the good things about this light is, again, it's light. I hate those heavy lights when you're trying to wire these together. In simple terms, you want to get these two locked in together. White to white, black to black, simple, easy enough. Let's go ahead and let this hang precariously. Simple enough. Now, let's get them back in the hole. The nice thing is you do have some real estate inside this cup to put this light on. All right. Now, make sure everything is level. That is pretty level. Now you see the box here. Unfortunately, this is the byproduct of having a larger base box. You can see a little bit of the lines out there, but that's no problem. You're gonna have to paint around this. And your best bet too is before you put this light on, go ahead and paint a big swatch around your area with the same paint, just to make sure it all matches. But right now I'm just showing you. I'll come back and paint this at a later time. Okay, so I've gone and turned on the breaker. Let's go ahead and check the light. Wow, all right. That is really nice. I like that color. I like that light. That looks pretty good. All right, so after installing this, what a great view, great light, clean lines, very kind of a minimalistic, kind of modern look. Got some light pointing down, some light pointing up. It lights up the whole bathroom. It's really nice. I'm very happy with this style and this layout. So I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm done, so I'm out.